Welcome to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where we're on board Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. The 50 features many characteristics found on the 54 and 60 Cantius models, with an unrestrained, free-flowing, sleek design. It's perfect for resort hopping and offers a sophisticated entertainment platform at the dock. I invite you to join me on board as we cruise the waters of southeastern Florida. Stepping aboard, you'll immediately notice its 15-foot beam, very secure. For people who love the convenience of grilling at sea, Cruisers created this great space, moving the stainless grill to the transom. Water toys and gear can be stowed in the large transom garage with a powered hatch. These compartments hold dockside connections, and the cable master is easily accessible. The hydraulic swim platform makes it easy to get into or out of the water. And it comes standard with a remote control that you can simply attach to your keys. Moving up to the foredeck using the wide side deck is simple and secure. Lounge-style integral seating with recessed LED lighting and a cocktail table provide a great entertainment space for you and your guests. The windlass winch is standard, of course. Again, with entertainment in mind, the cockpit features a large wraparound lounge with a solid wood dinette table, and Cruisers integrated a very comfortable aft-facing lounge to maximize seating. With the powered aft window open, it almost invites conversation. An optional joystick control can be installed port or starboard. Staying true to the Cantius line, the 50 single-level open concept design connects the cockpit, galley, and salon, creating easy movement throughout. With a large stainless steel glass door and the remainder of the galley and salon surrounded with integrated glass, the interior is bathed in light. The galley is designed with an artisan's touch and is outfitted with a stainless dual-drawer refrigerator freezer with ice maker, additional refrigerator, glass cooktop stove, convection grill, plenty of cabinet storage, and a stainless sink with a designer faucet. You have all the comforts of home right at your fingertips. Forward, a large portside dinette provides a stylish dining area, offered with charcoal oak or walnut cabinetry accents. The helm is equipped with advanced electronics and joystick controls. Powered by Volvo IPS engines, she handles like a sport boat. With a shallow draft of only 3.5 feet, the 50 is perfect for resort hopping. A powered sunroof permits open-air cruising to take full advantage of those sunny, pleasant days at sea. A few short steps below, the accommodations deck boasts refined luxury, where spectacular staterooms await you and your guests. A well-appointed full-beam master stateroom is positioned amidships and features decorative stone detailing, private head with sophisticated fixtures, and a walk-in glass shower. A beautiful entertainment system and combination washer and dryer complete the master's features. A roomy forward VIP stateroom provides superior accommodations for guests, with bathing comforts equal to the master suite. And a third stateroom with bunk beds is located starboard, a great space for kids. The 50 Cantius offers yachtsmen the perfect vessel between 45 and 54 feet. Its offshore cruising capabilities, along with its unique accommodation features, create a sport yacht that will safely navigate you and your guests to almost any destination, in comfort and style. Sea trawler for yourself. We'll see you on the water.